All right, so this is the bottom of the Seven Falls here. I can't remember the name right off the top of my head, but I figured I'd show you this as we walk over to the little pond to see the trout. So that they may have caught for our dinner that we had tonight. So, but yeah, there's a couple trout in here that I saw, and the water's really nice and clear too. So. So let's see if we can find one. Running out of time. Where are you at, trout? I don't see them now, so they're actually over there. See, there's a ring over there. They're feeding them right now. So, oh.